Hello guys, today we will learn that how to use hole wizard features in SolidWorks. So let's get started. First of all, we should have a solid geometry for using this hole wizard feature. Okay, I have a plate as a solid geometry, so we will use this plate for hole wizard. Okay, then click on hole wizard first. Then actually there are two types of hole specification. Okay, one is with type and second is with position. Okay, in the type we'll see this type of holes, type of standard hole standard, and there's a type of hole. There's a size, you can choose the size from here, and you can custom the size by checking this box. There is the end condition of hole. Okay, and there is the options: near side countersink, far side countersink. You can see if you wanna countersink on the top, just like you can see in the image, you can add it from here, and you need the countersink far side, mean bottom side. You can change the value from here. Okay, I will choose the simple hole size. Okay, click on a hole type and then click on positions, put the point anywhere on the surface. Okay, now define this hole. Hole is defined, and if you want any other hole on the surface, you can just click on point and put the point anywhere you want, like this. Define the points. Okay, then click on OK. Holes are ready, as you can see. For any kind of holes, you can use the same method. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.